Today we're reviewing stock number 213459 on a 2011 Chevy Equinox LS. Our exterior color is white. Interior options include power windows, locks and mirrors, power driver's seat, cloth seats, light controls, tilt steering, cruise control, hands-free communication and audio controls, CD, AM, FM radio, climate control, and our interior color is black and white. Moving on to exterior features, we have alloy wheels, and a lot more cargo space. Rear options include power windows, 60/40 split bench seats with center armrest and cup holders. You can fold the seats down for more storage space. Once again, we're viewing stock number 213459 on a 2011 Chevy Equinox LS, and our exterior color is white.